Hi, Janice Winward here. Tonight I want to talk to you a little bit about how I make clocks. And so I have this clock face printed out and cut out of vinyl. And I have this piece of contact paper here that I'm going to use to remove the vinyl and then stick it onto the clock, onto the record that I have. Okay. I like to go ahead and put this right on top of that paper. Okay, and I am going to cut around this because I don't like to have all this extra hanging out because it sticks down on stuff where it's not supposed to be. Now this is the clock face I'm going to try to finish today. And I guess I decided this fat pedal is going to be the top, where I'm going to put the 12. Okay, so first I want to get these numbers stuck onto this contact paper pretty good. Now I know that this dot right here is going to go right in the middle of, right in the hole of that record. So I'm going to try to put that right where that hole is. Oh, that's not good. I got the record turned a little bit too much. Let's do this. Alright, now I want to put that right in where the hole of the record is. Right. Let's keep sticking down right there. Okay, so as long as I get the center there in the center of the record, it should be, the numbers should be really straight and nice. No, I'm rubbing this part in. I don't want that part to stick. That makes it harder to pull off. Okay. I do want these numbers to stick though. Now I will reuse that contact paper for another clock. I have several clocks I'm going to do, so that will be used for another clock. Okay, so there it has the numbers on it. That's pretty dark. That's too bad. I should have chosen a lighter one so you could see the numbers a little bit better on there. Next, I have to make a hole in the center of this to put the clockworks through. I've already finished the back of it, and so I need to drill a hole in this to so I can put the clockworks through there. The hole that's in the record is not big enough to fit the shank through. I need to put this part through, and the hole that the record comes in is not quite big enough, so it needs to be drilled out just a little bit. So I have a 5/8 drill bit here. Let me see, I better stand up to do this. I'm just going to drill, and I put my record on this thing with the hole in the middle there, so that'll give it the support it needs. Okay. Where is it? Okay. That's perfect. So I want to put this, I don't know what that is, grommet thing on here. And you put this through and line that up with the 12. Actually, maybe I ought to mark the back of that. Okay, so Put that in there. And then you have another washer. And then this nut. Next we put on the hour hand. The next hour hand. Hour hand goes on next. And I'm going to push it down till it snaps. All the way down in there. Okay, and then put on the minute hand. And push it down till it snaps. These hands, the last bunch of clockworks that I got from Amazon came, and the hands were all bent up. I had to really straighten them and everything before I got them, but this batch that I got this time came straight. They were packaged really nice, and they came straight, so I don't have to do a whole lot of straightening on them. Except I think that one's bent. Maybe I just bent it putting it on there. I must have. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but you got to make sure the three hands are clear of each other. They don't touch. So there you go. Clock is made. Oh, you can't see the hands. Oh dear, that's not very good on that one. And that dark brown, you can't see those black hands. So that might have to be a clock I just keep for myself. Okay, well anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please come back and join me again soon. Please subscribe, like, and share, and most importantly, please have a great night.